In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Calendar goal. We'll walk through the process on the web version of Google Calendar so you can cleanly remove a goal and all of its associated events. Deleting a goal's calendar is permanent, so take a moment to be sure this is what you want before you confirm. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps button, the small grid of dots. Click it to open the app launcher, then select Calendar. This takes you straight into Google Calendar. Once Calendar is open, focus on the left sidebar. If you don't see it, hover your mouse on the left edge or click the menu icon to reveal it. Under My Calendars, you'll find a list of calendars connected to your account. Your goal appears here as its own calendar, typically named after the goal you created, like exercise or read more. If the list looks short, click the tiny arrow next to My Calendars to expand it fully. Hover over the goal's calendar name to reveal a set of options. You'll see 3 vertical dots next to it. This is the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots, then choose Settings and Sharing from the menu. This opens the settings page specifically for that goal calendar. On the settings page, look at the left side where the settings sections are listed. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is where you manage deletion and other removal actions for that specific calendar. In the Remove Calendar section, click Delete. Google will ask you to confirm because deletion removes all events associated with that goal from your calendar. Review the prompt, then confirm to finalize the deletion. After you confirm, the goal and its scheduled entries will no longer appear. A few tips before you finish up. If you don't see the goal calendar in the list, make sure you're viewing the correct Google account and that the My Calendars list is expanded. If your goal events are mixed into your primary calendar instead of a separate one, they may not be removable as a standalone calendar. In that case, you'd manage or delete the individual events instead. Also, if your aim is simply to hide the goal temporarily, you can uncheck the calendar's color box in the sidebar rather than deleting it entirely. That's it. You've removed a Google Calendar goal and cleared out its entries, keeping the rest of your calendars untouched. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need to double check a step.